Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is another hair video, but today we're experimenting with some color, specifically pink. This is a really pretty pink shade of the Splat hair color. I'm about to show you. Here it is. So a little background information, this is not one of the bleaching kits. Splat does make color bleaching kits. Oh my gosh, some crazy ass people just drove by. But this just comes with one bottle of the color to deposit onto your hair. And it is bigger, I feel like, than the color bottles that come in the bleaching kits. So yeah, this is about $10. So it makes sense because you're paying $10 only for color. So it makes sense that they would put more color in there. But yeah, this had a really unique smell to it. Kind of smelled like candy, and it just like reminded me of my childhood. But yeah, so I'm just distributing it throughout my hair. And you could see the top of my hair was like really platinum blonde. The ends were darker. I did show you a little before shot right there. So yeah, this took about 12 minutes to distribute. So I used pretty much every last drop of product that I could, and I still feel like some spots could use more coverage. However, so it would have been safer for me to get 2 boxes, but for like a more low-end product, to pay 20 bucks for something to cover my head, for something that's only gonna last like 5 to 10 washes, maybe like a week or 2, I just don't really feel like that would be completely worth it. And I am going to leave it on for like a full hour. This is not damaging to my hair. As I mentioned, it's conditioner based, and I just want my hair to absorb as much color as possible. Where we're at right now. Hey guys, here is my hair. Towards the back, my hair really did not get like full coverage, which again, I tried to explain earlier in the video. It kind of has to do with how I only used 1 box, when usually when I color my hair, I use 2 boxes or just like double of whatever I get. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and kind of make a complete look. Alright guys, here is the final outcome. Looks pretty good. Now this, ow! Oh my gosh, damn it. This will probably wash out pretty quickly. Hopefully I get a few days of really pretty like pastel color. This is on the verge to pastel already. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it for 10 bucks. Whatever, it makes me happy for a week or 2. And yeah, I give it a thumb up. So this is the Splat no bleach temporary hair color. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I don't do anything, they make sure I'm not in last place. If I wake up, don't make no money, that's a sad day. 2,500 on my shirt with the tags. I want it that way. I want it that way. With fame, everybody know my name when I come through, but don't nobody screaming like you. I was having visions with you, doing things, switching lanes in the Beamer with you, and swimming in deep water.